Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Linux Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove, add, or change the background image of any section. So first of all, go to your Webflow dashboard and open Designer. This will open up the Designer mode. Once the Designer mode is open, you scroll down to a section with the background image. So this section has a black background, or you can say it a black color. So you select the section, make sure you select the section and go to the right hand side, scroll down to background, and as you can see there is a PNG, black PNG. So I'm gonna change this to a blue PNG. So I'm gonna select just select on the image and then choose image. You can choose the image from any of the existing image you have on your website, or you can upload an image. So I'm gonna upload an image, and here is a blue background. So I'm just gonna open this image, and as you can see now I have changed the background from black to blue. Now let's say if I were to delete the image, so again it's quite simple. You just hover on the image and just select delete icon, and the image is gone. You can also hide the icon, hide the image if you want to just temporarily see how it's going to look like. So you can just hover on the image again and just click on this icon, and that is it. I hope this helps. If you have any question about it, please let me know, and thank you for watching.